If you are planning to build your own shipping container home, in this video we are examining 5 design tricks this container home uses. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first design trick is using a forgiving, or what you would call an industrial aesthetic. In this particular design, they have retained the original container corrugated walls on the exterior, and they have painted it a dark shade of color. Another thing you will notice is the use of the timber framing around the architraves of the windows and doors. The next thing is to have an open plan living space. An open plan living space allows you to make use of this orthogonal, rather awkward, long and narrow space. In this particular design, this house has used an open plan layout with the living space in the middle and the bedroom plus the bathroom on the opposite ends. The living space has got compact lounge area with this beautiful lounge seat without unnecessary furnishings to cramp up the space. In addition, you are encouraged to use what we would call big doors and windows, or big fenestrations. In this instance, they have used full height sliding glass doors that allows you to have a seamless indoor-outdoor living connection. Another thing you need to consider when putting up a container house, especially with single modules like this one, is to use light colored interiors. This kitchen is a beautiful design. They have used a galley kitchen, which allows you to appreciate the space even more by creating a thoroughfare in between functions. You have a bedroom on the extreme end, which is a second bedroom in this particular instance, but next to it we have a walk-through bathroom, which allows you to make good use of the limited central aisle by accommodating the wash and basin on one end and living room on the opposite end for other functions. And in this particular instance, they have used it for a stacked washer and dryer to make good use of the vertical space and free up the horizontal or floor space because of the limited indoor living space. When it comes to the bathroom, you'll notice they have tiled the shower cubicle from the floor to ceiling, creating that illusion of the eye that you have a big bathroom space, creating an unporous wall finish. It is also a good aesthetic, creating a bit of contrast from the predominantly white walled bathroom space. Once you are done with the interior, you need to focus your attention to the outside. The outdoor living spaces are as important and crucial as the indoor living spaces. In this particular instance, they have created a big outdoor terrace, which is covered with a wooden pergola, mimicking almost a similar, if not a big, floor area as the indoor living space. By doing so, you double up the living space, both on the inside and outside, creating room for additional outdoor living functions like lounging, outdoor dining, a barbecue area. You can even have space for specialized outdoor living functions like the bathtub. In this particular instance, a very common feature with Airbnb getaways and vacation rentals. You'll also notice the use of additional outdoor functions like the fire pit, which allows you to create a good space for social gathering during good weather. Having said that, I want to mention a very critical angle to this particular design. The recycled container cuttings have been used to create planters, as you can see. They've also used it to create the canopy for the entrance porch. In this particular instance, you find that this sustainable use of steel allows you to make good use of materials and reduce waste that will end up into a dump site somewhere else. You can also use those planters for edible raised gardens. What have you learned from this particular build? Do you feel these 10 or 11 design tricks or ideas are worth trying? Give it a shot if you are planning to build your own shipping container project. If you want to build your own container home and you have no idea where to begin from, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you. We've put together one of the best shipping container homes building guide on the market. This amazing book is well structured, using 14 detailed chapters covering everything from understanding shipping containers to insulation to understanding condensation, all the way to interior and exterior finishes. The book is well written, using relevant illustrations and diagrams explaining each step in great detail. And it also gives you for free one of the best floor plans by Sheltermode. In addition, it covers a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean islands. If you don't like detailed technical building guides, we have put together over 300 questions of the most FAQs about shipping container homes, such as how much does it cost to build a container house? Do I need permits to build my container home? These and many more 300 plus questions have been exhaustively answered. If you need further inspiration, we have put together over 150 custom designed floor plans of shipping container homes with various configurations from 1 bedroom to 5 bedrooms, multi-story to single story, and modern design. A manual for converting a shipping container into a swimming pool, a complete container home toolkit and equipment handbook for all the essential tools, equipment, and materials you need to put up a container home. We also have essential templates, checklists, work lists, and other additional resources you can explore using the links provided. If you have any question, send us an email through info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching.